Greetings and welcome to OroCommerce's video tutorial series. This is Rhonda with Oro Inc. and today I'll be demonstrating how to create a product category in the master catalog in OroCommerce. A product category is a section of the web catalog where a product resides. For example, you can have a lighting fixtures category and display several different types of lighting solutions. This may also include light bulbs, flashlights, or any other products related to lighting. It should be noted that a product can only reside in one category within the master catalog. Also, placement within the catalog does not determine where the product can be found within the main site navigation, as web catalogs can be configured independently. Please see our video on how to create web catalogs in the media library for more information. To create a new product category, navigate to the Products menu and use the drop-down to select Master Catalog. The left-hand navigation panel displays the current catalog categories. Here you can create a new category or modify an existing category. To create a new category, click the Create Category button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. In the General section, add a title for the category. This is the title that will display throughout the OroCommerce storefront and Management Console. For our example, we'll call this New Product Category. The URL slug is auto-generated based on the title of your category, but you can change this value if necessary. A URL slug is used to build human-readable URLs on the storefront and is important for search engine optimization. Create a short and long description for your product category. Select files to represent your category images. The large product image is displayed when you click on the category. The smaller product image is displayed on the storefront in the main category boxes. Click on the Products link. Here's where sellers can assign products to this category. You can scroll down the list and check the checkbox for each product to be assigned to the category. Additionally, you can use filters to narrow down your product choices. Keep in mind, products can only exist in one category in the master catalog. For our example, we'll add our test products to our new product category. Click on Default Product Options. Here's where you can configure default product options into each product category. Configuring products at the category level sets the default for all products within the category. While it's possible to adjust product options manually on the product page, configuring products at the category level saves time when similar products have the same default options. By default, inventory options are managed by either the system configuration or the category defaults, but you can change these values. Simply uncheck the Use Default checkbox to open these fields up for editing and selection. In the Unit of Quantity field, use the drop-down to set a unit of quantity at the category level. The unit of quantity represents the way products are sold. For example, a single product can be sold in a unit of measure, such as each, piece, or item. Other products may be sold in a unit of measure of set, with 6 of the product included in one set. When creating new products in this category, the unit of measure is predefined with this setting. You can change these settings when creating a product if necessary. For our example, I'll select each, and I'll add a precision of 1. The Managed Inventory field defines how inventory is handled for OroCommerce. Selecting Yes enables interactive updates based on the product inventory information from the Inventory Warehouses section. Selecting No disables the connection from inventory and uses the static inventory status value. Some products or services may not require inventory, such as the service to assemble gym equipment. While there is no inventory for this service, it still has to be listed as in stock. By default, Managed Inventory is set to the parent category. For our example, we'll use Managed Inventory. Uncheck the Use Default checkbox to open the field for editing. In the Inventory Threshold section, type in a minimum quantity of the product in order for this product to be considered in stock. For example, items sold individually may only require 1 item in inventory to be considered in stock. Another example would be when items are sold by kilograms. You may need to define how many kilograms are required in a package in order for the package to be considered in stock. Alternatively, if items are sold in a set of 6, you might want to have at least 6 products available for it to be considered in stock. Be sure to take this into consideration when setting threshold levels. Additionally, you can choose to inherit settings for this field from either the parent category or the system configuration. In the Decrement Inventory section, use the drop-down to determine if you would like to decrement inventory upon submission or if it's defined by the workflow. When decrement inventory is set to order submission, the amount of stock for the product is reduced with each purchase. If set to workflow, then a custom workflow would need to be implemented which would dictate when the inventory is deducted from the overall stock. Additionally, you can choose to inherit the settings of this field from either the parent category or from system configuration. Simply click the Use checkbox and use the drop-down to select an option. For our example, we're going to set this on order submission. In the back orders section, select if the product is open to back orders. When set to yes, buyers and salespeople can order quantities that are not currently available in warehouses. Any quantities of the order not filled during the initial purchase will be filled when the product is back in stock. Keep in mind, when decrement inventory is set to order submission and back orders is set to yes, the available product quantity may display in the negatives. For our example, we'll set back orders to yes. In the minimum quantity to order field, enter a number that the buyer must purchase as a minimum quantity. For example, bulk sellers may only want to sell a product if the buyer purchases more than 50. By default, this is set to the system configuration level. To change this option, uncheck the Use checkbox to open the field for editing. For our example, our minimum quantity to order will be 1. In the maximum quantity to order, enter a number that is the maximum quantity that a customer can purchase per order. If there is a product that is in great demand, putting a cap on the maximum quantity gives a level purchasing field to customers trying to get bulk supplies. By default, this is set to the system configuration level, but we can change this option by unchecking the Use Default checkbox to open the field for editing. For our example, we'll put 50. Click on the Visibility link. This determines the visibility of the product and products in the category by default. Sellers can hide products from the category and from users in general. Visibility can be set for all customers, specific customers, or customer groups. For more information on visibility, please see our related video in the media library. Click on the SEO link. Here is where you can add SEO details for your product category. Enter a meta title for the product. A meta title is what is seen by search engine users and helps a search engine to index the page. A meta description is a 160-character tag that summarizes the page's content. Search engines show a meta description in search results if they see the searched phrase in the description. Meta keywords are tags that appear in HTML code to assist search engines in finding the information on this page. When you're finished configuring your product category, click the Save button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. As you can see, our new product category has been created. Additionally, you can drag and drop categories into the desired order and nesting level. Now we'll navigate to the storefront and display our new product category. As you can see, our new product category contains our newly assigned products. You can also edit the front-end menus to allow this product category to be accessed from a link. For more information on editing front-end menus, please see our related video in the media library. Thanks for watching. For more video tutorials, please check out our website at www.orocommerce.com/media-library and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest video tutorials and webinars.